This is a so-called makeup video, right? For those who know me, I don't really wear makeup like that. Only if I'm somewhere very serious, I would wear makeup. And it would be bare minimal, not that serious. My first time having my makeup professionally done was a few weeks back when I took family photos, professional family photos. That was it, okay? My wedding, my friend slash her aunt did my makeup. She was a professional, but I didn't hire her to do it, so she didn't have materials and stuff. 12 years ago, you didn't know, there was no makeup artist, there was none of that. So, but in this video, I'll be talking about a foundation that I just purchased. Not fully purchased though. But anyways, it's called ilmakiage. Ilmakiage. It sounds French. But yeah, so it's, you know, it's a foundation. It's a foundation that appears natural on your skin, and I'm all for that. And I'm like, okay, I don't care for foundations, but I was like, okay, when my skin do act up and I'm going somewhere and I don't want to feel like, I'm not gonna say insecure, but I want to feel like one tone instead of like 20 tone, then I want a foundation that's very, 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 very light, very, 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 very natural. So I was like, hey, why not try the ilmakiage? It's $5 for shipping, and if you like it, then you could keep it. The original price is $44, but when you really think about it, it's not that bad. It's $44, not bad. I've known friends that bought good foundations for more than that. So $44, I don't think it's bad, but it came in today. Well, I got their mascara too. So we're gonna do a little test review, okay? Honestly, I put a little bit on and I think it's too, I don't know if it looks like it's natural, but I don't know, but we'll see. So I got my this little brush thing. See, I got a brush though, you know. This is the package it came in, which is very, oh my gosh, this is like flipping cute. Okay, this is hot, yo. This is cute. But yeah, I got the foundation, and it comes in this cute little box that kind of opens like this, has tape right here, so you have to take that off right there. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Bang. This is bougie, okay? This is quality stuff. Packaging is legit. And then they gave me a free gift. This is an eyeliner. So we're gonna use all this today in this video. You feel me? Wish me luck. We're gonna see if I got the right tone too. And I had purchased this because they had gave me a coupon or something, whatever. They gave me a coupon, and so I used it on purchasing this mascara. This mascara is called, well, I guess it's Icon, the High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Yeah. So yeah, the shade I got was 170. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, huh, this ain't my shade, bruh. But when I did apply a little on me, it kind of blended. But the test is to take a picture with the flash on to see if it's really blended. That's the real test, you feel me? So I've already wet the sponge thing. I wet it already. So now we're going to apply our foundation. So with the foundation, I have questions, so please leave the answers down below because I'll be lost, right? So you have to get the foundation lighter than your skin or darker than your skin. It comes with instructions. It's bougie. Okay, so instruction number 1. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Number 2, blend out with a brush or sponge, not with your hand. Yeah. Number 3, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Number 4, don't match to your neck or risk they're a different tone than your face. Number 5, finish your face with concealer and blush and bronzer. And number 6, wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Okay, like I said in the beginning, this is like a trial, but they give they give you the foundation full size, just in case if you do end up liking it, you can just keep it and they'll charge you just $44. I think it's $44. Okay, so I did apply some, and honestly, I like it. I thought it was light for my face, but I will show you. I just applied one pump this time. So I'm gonna go, I don't know if there's a special way to do this stuff. Well, I got chicken pox. And then I'm gonna blend it. Oh no, I need a mirror. I always use my phone as a mirror, and that's not good. I think it's too light for my face. I don't know what I'm doing. Listen, the last time I was like for real on wanting to put makeup on is when my little brother was getting married, and this was like 4 years ago, I think. 4 years ago. My sister-in-law had a makeup artist that she wanted us to go to, but I was like, man, I don't want to pay that much money for somebody to do my face. I want to just learn how to do it, because you know, you could learn how to do it and you'll be fine. You don't have to pay a whole bunch of money, unless you really want to. I don't know. But so I was like, I'm not paying all that money to go do makeup. I could do it myself. Boy, so I ended up buying a whole bunch of stuff, right? Eyeliner, mascara, concealer. I was looking stuff up on exactly what you need. And what else did I buy? Oh, the eyebrow thing. Oh, the eyebrow thing, Lord. I don't see how people do eyebrows, because that's the hardest thing ever for me personally. I think they say apply to your neck. So yeah, I bought all those things, and I was looking on YouTube. Tutorials left and right. Yo, when I said epic fail, bro, I was so discouraged. I thought I had it in the bag. I was like, oh, I got this. Like, this is nothing. I was determined to do it, but doing makeup is not my ministry, okay? It's not for me. I will never do it. Maybe one of these days I will wing it, but especially for the eyebrows, like, it's just impossible for me. Like, kudos to the people that know how to do makeup, because a sister can't. And that's okay, because I don't really care for makeup like that. So maybe that's why I wasn't really good at it. But I'm gonna insert pictures on how I looked after. I was practicing on my eyebrows because that was the most intense area. It's like, I practiced like maybe 8 times, and the final straw was like, okay, I give up, because it was hard. It was hard to get it even, and to do like the concealer. I guess you put it under your eyebrows just to, you know, make it look sharp or whatever. I don't know, and make it look clean. I was not getting it. I was discouraged. I was like, you know what? Hey, I'm gonna just do my regular, put mascara on, the eyeliner thing, and call it a day. Thankfully, my cousins came and stayed with us, right? So they were there. One of my cousins, she loves doing makeup, so she was like, let me do your makeup. And I was like, yes, you can do my makeup, whatever. She hooked her sister up, okay? She hooked it up, okay? It was nice and plain and simple. She did my eyebrows, and that was the most serious part, right? Because your eyebrows supposedly is everything. And one thing I learned, like when you do makeup, for me, I would have to take a picture with a flash on in order to see if I blend or not. And I shown you why. I took a picture with the flash on, and it was just horrendous. I'm done applying the foundation, and I don't know. Honestly, I feel like it's my right shade. I thought it was like light. You see how light it is, dude? Let me show you. Y'all see, bro? See how light it is? This is very light, but they say you have to blend it in, right? And look, can't even tell, can't even see it. That's nice, really nice. They did that. This is very nice. So ilmakiage is gonna save me when I want to go on little dates with my boo, or when I want to go to like little events, whatever, which is never, almost never, but it's okay. So we're gonna put that in the box, right? I need to hurry up before my husband come home and he cuss me out cause I do something, I don't know, be tripping. So they gave me an eyeliner as a gift, which was very sweet. So we're gonna try that out as well, because I honestly needed an eyeliner, but I didn't need one, but I really wanted one. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get one. You ain't know. You sleep, you ain't know. Don't you sleep on Dollar Tree, boo. Oh no, I need somebody to hold this. I cannot see. No, I can't see. Oh, let me just use the phone. Duh. Don't laugh at me, y'all, please. It's so embarrassing. This how y'all do it? I don't even know. I can't even see for real. What? Don't think it. Why? This is a legit eyeliner too. I cannot see nothing. Wait. I really like the eyeliner. Oh my gosh. Yes. But the way I applied it looked weird. A missing spot. And I think I like the liquid liner better. I've used liquid liners before. I had one liquid liner and I loved it. But the pencil eyeliners are it's just easier to get. So easier to get when you go to Dollar Tree and stuff. I can't see. Wait. Ah, shoot. That's enough, okay? Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing the most. Oh, I'm very clumsy. So we're gonna put that in the box before I get lost. See if we gonna live in me. Yes, we gonna live in. Oh yes. So now we're going to try the mascara. Babe, I tried on this mascara, what, a day ago? 2 days ago? No, yesterday. Because I got it yesterday. And I got the foundation and stuff today. And the only thing I don't like about it is the bristles. It's mad hard. And for clumsy people like me, you're going to lose your eye. Okay? No. So I'll go like this. And another thing. I don't see how people I put mascara on the bottom of their eyelashes, like the bottom part. You see, this is the thing. This is what I don't like, bro. Ooh, I'm about to pop my eye out. But yeah, so I don't see how people put mascara on the bottom of their lashes. Ain't nothing there. Let me try. And why do we go like this? Why we always do that? I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna try not to. I have to. So let's do the other side. Hopefully I don't pop my eye out. Yeah, but I like thicker, like bigger bristles and softer bristles. But I understand why they did it hard, because you know our eyelash tend to stick together. Gentle, and then swoop. When my husband get home, I want to see his reaction. Oh, I should put some lip gloss on or something. I don't like it when it's clumped, and I mean, it gives it volume. I just like I don't like my eyelashes being stringy looking. I like the full, like thick, and I don't know how to say it, but it's not bad. I see I have mascara here, but the foundation, I mean, it doesn't really look like I have foundation on, although I high pigmented skin. Is that a word? Hyperpigmentation, that's what I have. That's the type of skin I have, you know, it's just retarded. You see? It's cute, right? So this is the lip gloss I made. See, that's your problem. That's your problem. Do I look white?
No.
Boy, your hair nevite lave. Wanna wash your hair today? We're gonna wash your hair today?
Yeah.
Hair wash day, yay. But yeah, this is the lip gloss that I made. This is called Bubblegum and it's like pink and bubblegummy. And this is just clear. Clear with holographic glitter in it. So I'm gonna try, I'll try the pink one first. The pink one have a little bit of glitter in there too. This is for girls, right? For Nyla and Raya, right? So we'll try the pink one. It's very light. And I have no lips, so I'm not going anywhere.
Mommy, you said. Mommy,
See, this is why I fussed out my husband in the other video, because I'm like, he be all up, he don't care, he be all up in the mix. You be all up in the mix. This is why you get locked inside the house. Boy, move your head or something. I can't stand putting lip gloss on, right? I cannot stand putting lip gloss on, but you know, I'm learning. This would kind of be the look I would have if I go to a wedding or something. Very plain, very basic, very simple. I will probably add eyeshadow, and that's it. That's the most I will add. Most of the time, I'll only do eyeliner. If I don't have eyeliner, just mascara and eyeshadow. That's it. No lips, nothing. I'll use chapstick if my lips dry or something, you know. But I mean, if I have everything, then this would be my look. But of course, I'll clean it up more. My hair will be done, like duh. And I'll be cute with my little waist trainer, you feel me, looking all cute. It's not cute right there, it's not cute. This is the final look. Oh, this is the lips. I hope you guys like this video. This it's not a tutorial, that's for sure, because I don't know what I'm doing, but this is just how I wear my makeup if I'm going somewhere serious. If I'm not going anywhere serious, you better be lucky I put lip gloss on, okay? Please. But yeah, I think it's nice, okay? All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, share. And as always, be blessed. Deuces. How you doing, boo?
Mommy. Oh, can I borrow a scrunchie?
You got your makeup done?
Please.
Yeah, I paid $105.
You stupid. Oh, no, you didn't.
I bet.
Who you paid? Yourself?
Nope. I went to the studio and paid for the makeup.
You lying, because the last one was in $100.
You don't know how much.
And you had a lot more done last time.
Oh, so this is not a lot more done. You don't like it?
What the heck you went for?
Does it look professionally done? Huh?
No. So you can go get your money back.
Go get my money back?
Yep.
Why?
Because that don't look professionally done.
How it done? What do you mean?
Where you got it done from?
Babe, I went to the studio.
Tell me now, or I'm going to wipe it all off.
You can't wipe it off. You need makeup wipes.
Oh, I'm glad you think I need that.
Babe, don't touch my face. I will knock you out, bro.
Where you got it? Oh, nice. Nice.
Yo,
Where you got that done from?
Babe.
What you got it done from?
Babe, don't touch my face.
Were you trying to get this on camera for your witnesses?
For the cops.
I don't care about them.
Babe, don't touch my face.
Where did
I'm
you
knock
go?
you behind out, bro.
Where did you go?